Good morning. Today is November 11, 2023 Saturday, and here are the 10:30 a.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL's Lottery 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Saturday, November 11, 2023. Here are the SL's Lottery 10:30 a.m. result for Mandawi City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for November 11, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Saturday, November 11, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.